Hello, you are welcome. I am Jati Sowang, and here I am going to show you how to find the bisector of the angle between two planes and its bisecting planes. In the previous module, we learned how to determine the angle between two planes using a stereo net. Here is a summary of the process. First, fix a tracing paper at the center of a stereo net. Then plot the given planes based on their provided strike and dip data. Next, mark the poles corresponding to the plane. Draw the great circle passing through the poles. The great circle will intersect the planes at specific points. Measure the angle between these points of intersection along the great circle. This angle represents the angle between the two planes. For more detailed explanation, you can visit this video tutorial link provided below. Let us visit the previous example. In the previous example, the problem is find the angle between the following planes. Plane 1 strikes 204 degree and dips 70 degree northwest, and plane 2 strikes 165 degree and dips 60 degree northeast. The problem in this module is to find the bisector of the angle between the planes and its bisecting plane. So this diagram is the result of the previous problem. Here, this curve represents the plane 1 that has a strike trend of 204 degree and dips 70 degree towards northwest, and this curve represent the plane 2 that has a strike trend of 165 degree and dips 60 degree towards northeast. Poles of plane 1 and the plane 2 are denoted as P1 here and P2 here respectively. This curve is the great circle that passes through the poles, and this point and this point are the points of intersection of the great circle with the planes. The angle between these 2 points measured along the great circle is the angle between the 2 planes, and it is 62 degree. So this is our last result. Here we have to find the bisector of the angle and its plane. To find the bisecting point, align the curved inch with the north-south of the net. The angle between the 2 planes is 62 degree. Half this angle is 31 degree. Starting from one intersection point, measure 31 degree along the great circle and mark this point. This point is the bisector of the angle between the planes. To find the bisecting plane, identify the intersection point of the 2 planes, the fold axis if they are limbs of a fold. This is the point of intersection of the 2 planes. Mark it. This represents their line of intersection. Rotate the overlay such that the bisector point and the intersection point lie on the same great circle. Draw the great circle passing through these 2 points. This great circle represents the bisecting plane of the angle between the 2 planes. Measure the angle from E to the dip point. It is 85 degrees. That is, the bisecting plane dips at 85 degrees, which is nearly vertical. To determine the strike and dip trends of the bisecting plane, bring the overlay to its original position Starting from the north, measure the angle to the strike in. It is 6 degrees and the deep trend is 96 degrees. It should be noted that if the planes are the limbs of a pole, the bisecting plane corresponds to the axial plane and the point of intersection is the pole axis. This concludes the module. For further clarification, I will illustrate the relationship with poles in the next video. Thank you for visiting my channel.